There's so much to be found here.
The fate of Site C protesters at Rocky Mountain Fort lies in the hands of a provincial judge as an injunction against them was brought to court today in Vancouver. Protesters have been blocking BC Hydro workers from logging the area in Fort St. John for dam construction, and because of this, the Crown Corporation filed a civil claim against them.
BC Hydro filed the injunction application back in January in relation to a small number of individuals that have been preventing contractors from undertaking some clearing work on the Site C project.
Today marks the first day that BC Hydro is taking court action against the protesters who have been camping on the land since December 31st. Defendant Ken Boone says the protest has been civil so far and that the protesters don't plan on leaving until their concerns are addressed.
Our message hasn't changed, and it's been very consistent all along and has been backed up by all the different levels of government and individuals and organizations. We need to put the brakes on this project and review it properly.
BC Hydro says they respect people's right to express their concerns about the almost $9 billion project, but action had to be taken as the protesters are delaying the project's agenda.
We have an obligation to our customers to keep the project on schedule and on budget.
Even though there is a chance BC Hydro could succeed in forcing the campers to leave, Boone says this court proceeding may help shed light on the issue.
In some ways, this is, a good thing. It's a step forward because here we will finally, hopefully, with some cross-examination, and it'll be under oath, have an examination of the finances of this project. We haven't had that, really.
If BC Hydro loses their case, protesters may continue to stand their ground.
If no injunction is ordered or issued, my belief is that the camp will stay there.
Kerrisa Wilson, CJDC-TV News, Fort St. John.